Hello dear friends, I welcome you to the next session of English. Dear children, today we are going to continue our assignment number 11 and we are going to complete part 2 of this assignment. Now in the previous session we have done the part 1 of the assignment, right? Yes. Whenever we complete the grammar topics, we always do exercises based on them in the form of assignment. Okay, so to continue the series of assignments, let us begin today's grammar section. And today we are going to do exercises based on simple future tense. Now dear children, we have completed this tense in the previous sessions. Alright, so let us have a recap, a revision of this tense, and then we are going to do exercises based on it. Now you can see this beautiful picture. Yes, a boy is gifting a present to a girl, right? So let us see. He will buy her a present. We can see the highlighted word. This will buy is a, yes, what is it? It is a simple future tense verb. Okay, because when we have will and first form of the verb, it is simple future tense. So we have another picture. I have a nice dress. I will go to the party tonight. Here, the verb will go is in simple future tense. Alright. Yes, so there is another picture, dear children. Pictures are always a treat to look at, isn't it? Yes. So here, this Kofi is saying, I'm so sleepy and tired. And next is, I will get you some coffee. Do you know what are they called? These dialogues in the bubbles. Yes, they are called speech bubbles. You remember? In one of the sessions we have learnt about speech bubbles as well. So what a nice colorful bubbles we have. And here we can see that the verb will get is in simple future tense. Okay, so after having such colorful examples, let us revise the usage of this tense. Simple future tense, dear children, is used in two ways. One, we use the going to form, and the next we use will form. Now going to expresses plan for the future. Like whenever you have a fixed planning for future, you can talk it using the going to form. For example, in this example, we have I am going to. Okay. So because I is our personal pronoun and with this we use helping verb am. So I am going to visit my grandpa tomorrow. That means this is a fixed plan for future. Okay. Will is used when we have a sudden decision. I will have fish instead of chicken. Okay. Or when you express a desire or agreement to do something. This is not called planning. It is just that you have, yes, you have a desire. You have a wish. I will keep my promise. So both these words, will and going to, they express that the tense is simple future tense. So both can be used to make future predictions. She will be famous someday. She is going to be famous someday. Dear children, we have had this discussion when we did the future tense in the previous sessions. Alright? I'm sure you remember. So we have some more examples to make it clear that how do we use will. Whenever we offer help, we use will. Example, these suitcases are too heavy for me. I will carry them for you. So we can see that a boy is saying this, right? These suitcases are too heavy for me. So the girl offers help to him, stating, I'll carry them for you. And this, dear children, is the short form of your verb, I will. Okay. If we want the contraction, we write it like this. At the moment of making a decision, we use will. Like, what would you like to eat? So the B student says, I'll have a pizza, please. So whenever we have a to the point decision, moment of decision, then we use the word will. Alright? And this is applicable in the rules of conversation also. Okay? When someone asks us our choices, then we use the word will. Now next, let us have some more examples to learn the usage. We use will to express a voluntary action. I will give you the phone number. Will you help me with my homework? The phone rings. I will get it. Okay, so when we have any voluntary action, voluntary means willingful action. Alright, then we use will when there is no plan. We will see what happens. I think I will go to the gym tomorrow. So when we do not have any fixed planning, then also we say will. Then when we make will, when we make promises. I will call you when I arrive. I promise I will not tell anyone about the secret. Do not worry, I will be careful. So that means that whenever we have any willingful action, whenever we ask someone, tell someone our choice, when we have on the spot decision, when we make promise, in all such situations we use will in our language. Alright? Okay, so remember, we use going to plus verb 1 for plans, which we have fixed planning. Okay, like Alex is going to play tennis on Friday at 4 p.m. And we use will and verb 1 when we think that something will happen. Okay, I think I won't come with you tonight. I want to stay at home and relax. So this is our usage of simple future tense using both the helping verbs, going to as well as will. Alright dear children, so that was a quick brush up of your knowledge and a quick recap of what we have already learnt about this tense. Now, just a quick look at the rules. So in simple future tense, affirmative sentences, we have subject plus will or shall and verb. Bare form means the base form. Then we have negative sentence, subject plus will not, or we also say it as won't. And again the base form of the verb. For interrogative sentences, we just take our helping verb will and put it before our subject. Alright? The examples are there in front of you. I will go to Thailand. I will not go to Thailand. Will you go to Thailand? So these are the rules that we use, in which way we use simple future tense. Now let us see. So here is the time to do the exercise, and that is the best part of doing an assignment, right? It helps us to revise our concepts. It helps us to understand that what we have actually understood. So are you ready? Okay, so here is a colorful exercise for you. Dear children, I always feel happy when we have colors, isn't it? Yes, it makes the mood going, right? It makes the things more interesting. So we have the question, fill in the blanks with will or be going to using the verbs below. Then we have to match the sentences with the pictures. Okay. So there are 10 pictures and there are 10 sentences. We have 10 verbs in the helping box. Now you need to choose the correct verb to fill in the correct blank and then match it with the required appropriate picture. Yes, it's very interesting. So let me read the sentences for you. Number 1, which dress would you like to buy? I dash all of them. Okay, so you just see that which verb suits here. And remember, you have to use will or going to with the verbs you choose. Okay. Number 2, what a heavy pumpkin. I can't carry it. Okay, I dash you. Now please take your time and do the correct choice. I will be sharing the answer key with you, don't worry. Number 3, our teacher is better, so he dash to school tomorrow. Again, number 4. What are you doing with that shovel? The answer is I dash a tree. Okay, number 5. Jack just went to bed. He dash early. Number 6. I must iron my shirt, but I haven't got any time. Okay, I dash it for you. Number 7. Oh no, I forgot my pencil at home. Don't worry, I dash you mine. Number 8. Martin can't find his car keys. He dash to work. Number 9. Thomas and David dash to another house next week. Number 10. Oh my god, the train leaves at 8:30 and it is 8:20 now. No panic, I dash you to the station. So dear children, these are your 10 sentences. Pick up the correct verb, use will and going to with them, and then match with the sentence pictures. Alright? So enjoy the exercises. Yes, so let me share the answers with you. Number 1, which dress would you like to buy? Now we have the verb buy here. So it should be I. Yes, when we put the choice, we can say I will buy all of them. Alright? Yes. Next. What a heavy pumpkin. I can't carry it. Okay, can we have, what do we have in it? Yes. Do we have any option over here? I will help you. Okay, we can say like this. I will help you. Right? Dear children, here the choices are not going to be repeated. That I am sure of. So, let us see next. Our teacher is better, so he too. Now we have already two. That means it should be he going to form. Okay. So he is going to. Yes. He is going to school. So we have third choice, which is over now. Next, number 4. What are you doing with that shovel? We can see that the last picture. Plant is the word. I will plant a tree. Okay. This is I will plant a tree. Right? Next. Jack just went to bed. Yes, he will get up early. Now you can even write that he is going to get up early. That will also be correct. Okay, he will get up early. It's a bit tricky to write with this kind of laser pen, but I'm trying my best. I must iron my shirt, but I haven't got any time. Okay, yes, we have the word iron. I will iron it for you. Right? Yes, I'm sure you must have got all your answers correct. This is a very simple and very interesting exercise, isn't it? Number 7. Oh no, I forgot my pencil at home. Don't worry, yes, we have the verb lend. Alright, I will lend you mine. Okay. Lend means when you give something to someone for the time being, for a particular time. Alright. Martin can't find his car keys. He is going to be late to work. Or he is going to be late. Okay. We have the verb late here. So is going to form is used. Or we can say he will be late to work. Thomas and David. What choice is left here, children? To another house next week. So Thomas and David will move to next house. Okay. Will move. We have to see that options also, right? Oh my god, the train leaves at 8:30 and it is 8:20. No panic, I will walk you to the station. Alright, I will walk you. Or I will, we have the option, we have 11 options, so one is extra. So we can write, I will take you to the station. Okay, let's pick up the next choice, I will take you. Alright, so now let me read the sentences and try to match it with the pictures. Which dress would you like to buy? So which picture is here? What can you see? Yes, we have number 1 with this picture. I will buy all of them. What a heavy pumpkin. I can't carry it. Okay, I will help you. Now number 2 is, yes, this picture. Alright. Number 3, our teacher is better. So he is going to school tomorrow, because we have 2 here, so that means is going form will be used. And where is the picture? Yes, here is the picture. Number 3 is teacher. Number 4, what are you doing with that shovel? I will plant a tree. So the last picture is suitable. Number 5, Jack just went to bed. Now this picture I am sure. He will get up early. Number 6, I must iron my shirt but I haven't got any time. Okay, I will iron it for you. Where is this? Yes, we can see in the first picture. Number 7, oh no, I forgot my pencil at home. Don't worry, I will lend you mine. Yes, we can see the pencil in the first picture. Number 8, Martin can't find his car keys. He is going to be late to work. The last picture. Or we can even say he will be late to work. Number 9, Thomas and David will move to another house next week. This is happening, right? They're shifting. And last, oh my god, the train leaves at 8:30 and it is 8:20 now. No panic. I will take you to the station. And where we can see this? Yes, this picture is left. So this is our second picture over here. So yes, how was the exercise for you? I'm sure you have got your answers correct. In case there is a mistake, don't worry. Please do your correction and copy the sentences in your English notebook. Complete this exercise. Alright, so with this we come to the closure of today's session, and I'm sure this is a good recap of simple future tense and a good exercise time. So till we meet again, take care, goodbye.